Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. In this video, you can practice the correct use of can, could, may, might and must. So now let's move towards the video.
Question 1. We dash win a prize, but I doubt it. Answer is D. Might. Question 2. Nami dash speak Japanese. Answer is A. Can. Question 3. The president dash come to our offices if the meeting finishes before evening. Answer is C. May. Question 4. Naruto dash swim when he was 3 years old. Answer is B. Could. Question 5. The president said he dash come. Answer is D. Might. Question 6. You dash do whatever you want. Answer is A. Can. Question 7. Dogs dash be kept on a lead. Answer is E. Must. Question 8. It dash shower tonight. Answer is C. May. Question 9. Dash you tell me the way to the station please? Answer is B. Could. Question 10. She dash be tired after a long journey. Answer is E. Must. Question 11. Nami and Sanji dash complete the project by this week. Answer is E. Must. Question 12. You dash leave now if you wish. Answer is C. May. Question 13. The store dash have been closed today. Answer is D. Might. Question 14. They dash tell he was nervous. Answer is B. Could. Question 15. Julie dash swim. Answer is A. Can.
So guys, I hope this test was useful for you. If you like it, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also share this video with others.